Kia ora koutou e te whānau, te Umuariki tēnei, e mihi ana ki a koutou katoa. Nau mai, haere mai, and welcome to our first Mastermind Challenge, our Kupuhau Challenge for Tānemahuta. I've got myself here on my telephone, I've got it on landscape, put myself in the middle, just so we can do things with it later on. It's just for you and your confidence. I've got my laptop in front of me with my kupuhau ready to go. Only 12 words per week, but they're going to build each week. 24 next week, 36 the following week, and 48. So 12 words each week for 4 weeks. Anyway, welcome here. Have fun. Rock it out. It's about building up your confidence. Don't forget to work that camera and have fun. All right. Kia kaha tātou ki te kōrero I te reo Māori, I te reo rangatira. Kupuhau, Tānemahuta, week 1. Kia ora koutou e te whānau, kupuhau. And turn the sound off. Hua whenua. Paukena. Riwai, parareka, taewa. Kāpeti. KÖANGA. Ko whitiwhiti, wairauriki, wātakarihi. Hua rākau. Maika, panana. Rōpere, torōpere. Hunga, krepe, waina. Hi moi moi. Hōpuru, pāta. Ka mau te wehi. E te whānau. There you go, whānau. Have fun. Only 12 kupu. Practice your pronunciation, your enunciation, and your clarity. I wish you all the best. I'm looking forward to seeing how your little videos go. Also, you're welcome to join me on a Sunday over the next 3 months. We're going to be doing this. If you want to, on a Sunday, 7 p.m. Also, look for the link here to get the download of the books. We have books, student books, with everything in there for you, and we have some other activities to do. I'll tell you a bit about that later. Anyway, have fun in the meantime. Hei ko nei rā. See you next week.